Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of small wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas that sell fast. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Woodworking has long been celebrated as a craft that combines artistry with functionality, and in recent years, small wood furniture pieces have gained significant attention for their profitability and versatility. The benefits of creating these items extend beyond mere financial gain. They encompass creativity, market adaptability, and personal satisfaction. For aspiring woodworkers or seasoned artisans looking to diversify their offerings, focusing on small wood furniture can be a fruitful venture. One of the most compelling benefits of making small wood furniture pieces is the relatively low cost of materials compared to larger furniture items. When starting out, woodworkers can often source quality timber at a lower expense, allowing them to experiment with different designs and techniques without a massive financial risk. This accessibility makes woodworking an attractive option for those looking to enter the market. Additionally, the ability to create small items means that woodworkers can work with leftover scraps from larger projects, maximizing resource efficiency and minimizing waste. The market for small wood furniture items is also expanding, driven by trends in minimalism and functional design. Consumers are increasingly drawn to handcrafted, unique pieces that reflect their personal style rather than mass-produced options. As small living spaces become more common, particularly in urban areas, the demand for compact, multifunctional furniture continues to grow. Woodworkers who specialize in small furniture can tap into this trend, offering products that are not only visually appealing, but also practical for everyday use. Creating small wood furniture pieces also allows artisans to showcase their craftsmanship and creativity. Unlike larger projects that demand significant time and resources, small items can be completed relatively quickly, allowing woodworkers to experiment with various techniques and finishes. This creative freedom can lead to the development of unique designs that set a craftsman apart from competitors. The ability to innovate and adapt designs in response to customer feedback can further enhance a woodworker's reputation in the market. The profitability of small wood furniture pieces is significantly influenced by their pricing strategy. Because these items often require less material and time to produce, woodworkers can adopt a pricing model that attracts a wider range of customers. By setting competitive prices while still ensuring a healthy profit margin, artisans can appeal to budget-conscious consumers searching for quality products. Moreover, the potential for high profit margins increases as artisans build their brand and reputation, allowing them to command higher prices for their work over time. Marketing small wood furniture pieces can also be more straightforward than promoting larger items. With the rise of social media platforms and online marketplaces, woodworkers can showcase their creations to a global audience without the need for a physical storefront. High-quality photographs of small furniture items can effectively capture their intricate details and craftsmanship, making them appealing to potential buyers. Engaging with customers through platforms like Instagram or Etsy can create a loyal following, as consumers appreciate the story behind each piece and the artisan who created it. Additionally, small wood furniture pieces often lend themselves well to customization. Many customers are eager to personalize their furniture to fit their specific needs or aesthetic preferences. Woodworkers can offer options for custom sizes, finishes, or even engravings, creating a unique selling proposition that distinguishes their work in a crowded market. This level of personalization not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also opens up opportunities for higher price points. Another significant advantage of focusing on small wood furniture is the flexibility it offers in production. Woodworkers can choose to create items in small batches or as one-off pieces, allowing them to adapt their production methods based on demand. This adaptability can be particularly beneficial during seasonal fluctuations in sales, enabling artisans to ramp up production during peak seasons and scale back during slower periods. The ability to pivot in response to market trends or consumer preferences can significantly impact a woodworker's overall success. Moreover, creating small wood furniture pieces fosters a sense of community and connection among artisans. Many woodworkers find inspiration and support in local craft fairs, online forums, and woodworking groups. These communities can provide invaluable resources for sharing techniques, marketing strategies, and business advice. Collaborating with other artisans can also lead to joint ventures or cross-promotion opportunities, expanding reach and visibility in the market. The tactile and sensory nature of woodworking adds another layer of appeal to creating small furniture pieces. The process of shaping wood, choosing finishes, and assembling pieces allows artisans to engage fully with their craft. This hands-on experience can be immensely satisfying as woodworkers see their visions come to life. The joy of creating something functional and beautiful can be a strong motivator, driving artisans to refine their skills and explore new design possibilities. In addition to personal fulfillment, small wood furniture pieces can also create emotional connections for customers. Many people appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship behind handmade items, viewing them as more than just functional objects. A well-crafted wooden piece can evoke feelings of nostalgia, warmth, and connection to nature. This emotional resonance can lead to repeat business, as customers seek to fill their homes with meaningful items that reflect their values and aesthetics. As environmental consciousness continues to grow, woodworkers who prioritize sustainable practices can further enhance the appeal of their small furniture pieces. Sourcing wood from responsibly managed forests or using reclaimed materials can attract environmentally conscious consumers. By emphasizing sustainability in their marketing and production processes, artisans can differentiate themselves in a competitive marketplace while contributing to positive environmental practices. The potential for diversification in product offerings is another advantage of focusing on small wood furniture. Artisans can explore various styles, finishes, and functionalities, allowing them to cater to diverse customer preferences. For instance, a woodworker might start with simple shelves and gradually expand into more complex items like side tables or decorative accents. This diversification can help maintain customer interest and encourage repeat purchases, as consumers may return for additional pieces to complement their existing decor. Furthermore, small wood furniture pieces often have a lower barrier to entry for selling at craft fairs, farmers markets, or online platforms. Many of these venues focus on handmade goods, allowing artisans to reach a targeted audience of consumers interested in unique, handcrafted items. By participating in local markets or online marketplaces, woodworkers can gain valuable exposure and build a customer base without the significant investment required for larger retail operations. Another financial benefit of creating small wood furniture is the potential for passive income streams. Once a woodworker establishes a brand and reputation, they can explore opportunities for wholesale partnerships with local boutiques or online retailers. By producing small furniture pieces in quantity, artisans can create a consistent revenue stream while freeing up time to pursue new designs or additional woodworking projects. Additionally, small wood furniture pieces can serve as excellent gifts or promotional items, further expanding their marketability. Many consumers are willing to invest in high-quality, unique items for special occasions, such as weddings, anniversaries, or housewarmings. By offering customizable options or gift wrapping services, woodworkers can tap into this market and increase sales during peak gift-giving seasons. As artisans build their businesses around small wood furniture pieces, the potential for growth and expansion becomes increasingly evident. Successful woodworkers can consider branching into related areas, such as home decor accessories or woodworking workshops. These endeavors can not only enhance revenue streams, but also create a more holistic brand experience for customers, deepening their connection to the artisan and their craft. In conclusion, the benefits of making small wood furniture pieces as a woodworking idea are vast and multifaceted. From lower material costs and market adaptability to personal fulfillment and community connection, the advantages are significant for artisans looking to enter or expand within the woodworking industry. The combination of creativity, profitability, and emotional resonance makes small wood furniture a compelling choice for both novice and experienced woodworkers alike. By embracing the opportunities presented by this niche, artisans can create beautiful, functional pieces that resonate with customers while building a successful and sustainable business. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked small wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas that sell fast. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.